This week for my collection of ideas, I did 2 poems, 1 article, and 1 other. I'll start with the article. For my article, I used did list, and it was pretty useful. It allowed me to focus on what I needed to do in the article. It was a really good article. It talked about a soldier who lost her leg at battle, but yet she came home. She went through rehab. She got a prosthetic, and she is now a triathlete and a world champion triathlete at that. And it's got a really good story for perseverance. She persevered through struggles with her leg, and she can still attain her dreams. The other that I found was actually this really great website. It was really hard to analyze because it wasn't paragraphs of material, but it was this great website, probably made for an elementary school though, but it defined perseverance. It gave examples of perseverance. It talked about people that are known that persevered. It talked about books that you could read. It had quotations. Overall, it was just a really great source. It's going to provide a collection of examples that I can use. But like I said, it was really difficult to find a technique to analyze it because it was so spread out, so I just tried to talk about how I could use it and that kind of thing. The 2 poems I found were pretty great. The one was called Promise Yourself, and it was by the Optimist Creed. But it was just really great because it talked about personally persevering through your own struggles and how it's going to benefit you. And the other one also talked about how perseverance can benefit yourself. And for these poems, I did an analysis paragraph and I used TVcast. And they were both really useful. I'll definitely be using the poems in my paper. I'll definitely be using the article about the soldier, and I will 100% for sure be using that website that I found for my other, because it was just a collective place where I could find quotes and examples and all these different things that had to do with perseverance.